AI has revolutionized the way we approach translation tasks, offering free and efficient tools for individuals and businesses alike. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to utilize AI for translation without incurring costs. Firstly, identify your translation needs. Are you dealing with casual conversation or complex technical documents? Knowing your requirements will help you choose the appropriate tool. Various AI-driven platforms, such as Google Translate, DeepL, and Microsoft Translator, provide free services but differ in their language pair offerings and precision. Google Translate is one of the most widely used free AI translation services, offering support for over 100 languages. It is suitable for casual conversations and simple texts. You can use it via its website or mobile app, typing, speaking, or pasting text directly for instant translations. DeepL is renowned for its precise translations, particularly in European languages. Although it supports fewer languages than Google Translate, it provides more nuanced translations for complex texts. DeepL offers a free version where users can translate texts up to a certain character limit, making it ideal for short passages rather than lengthy documents. Microsoft Translator offers robust translation services through its web and mobile applications and even integrates with Skype for real-time translation during calls. The service supports many languages and is available for free usage. To utilize these services, simply visit the respective websites or download the mobile apps. Enter or paste the text you wish to translate. Some platforms also allow you to upload entire documents and choose your translation languages. You can switch the direction of the translation with a simple click if necessary. While these platforms provide free translations, the complexity of the document might require professional human translators for accuracy, especially if nuances or specialized terminology are involved. Another option is to use open-source AI models like Google's TensorFlow or OpenMT. These models are available for free, but setting them up demands technical expertise and computational resources. By leveraging these free AI tools, individuals can overcome language barriers efficiently and without expense, making global communication more accessible. Subscribe for more videos and tips.